Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on KuCoin. In my previous video, we saw that the price line of KuCoin was trying to break out the resistance of the channel, and this was the powerful attempt, but the price action is failed to break out this resistance and move down back into this channel. And in today's video, we will try to analyze whether the price action will be moved up and break out this resistance, or it will be moved more down. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then I've also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Okay, this was the idea that I shared at the Patreon on 30th of May when the price line completed a very big bullish harmonic bat move. Let me to show you first this move, and then I'll take you to the live chart to show you what the price action is doing right now. And this is a link for the chart that I shared, and let me to play the chart to show you the current position of the price line. And you can see that at that time the price line was above this buying zone, and after playing the chart we can see that the price action has completely entered the buying zone, and this buying zone starts from 91 cents and goes to 62.55 cents, and at this time it is very close to the end of this buying zone. And as per the Fibonacci sequence, the sell targets can be from $1.60 to $2.64. Now if we move to the live weekly time frame chart, then here we can see that the price action is moving between 60 cents to $1 support and resistance levels. Okay, here I'm showing the major support and resistance levels on the long-term weekly time frame chart. There is a possibility that there will be some more support and resistance levels on the smaller time frames. However, I'm just showing you the major support and resistance levels on the long term. So in the long term, we have this very strong support, and this is our key level support at 60 cents because previously it had been working as a support here, and after this the price action this 60 cents level has been working as a support resistance here, and here it has been working as a strong resistance. And you can see that recently the price action has again tested this support, and now it is moving between the $1.60 support and resistance level. This $1 is also very good resistance for the price action because previously it had been working as a resistance here, and here it has it has been working as a support, and currently now it is working as a resistance. Then we will have the next resistance at $1.30 that has been working as a support here. Then we have the next resistance at $2.30 that had been working as a resistance here and here as well. Then our final resistance will be at $3. And I'm expecting that during this bull run, during this bullish reversal that will be started from this very big bullish reversal harmonic bat pattern, the price action can try another attempt to break out the resistance of this $3 resistance level. However, the realistic targets are at Fibonacci base. You can see $1.6 to $2.64. Now if we take a look at the different oscillators, for example, here I have placed the MACD and the stochastic as well, and currently you can see that the stochastic is moving in the oversold, and the MACD has started turning bullish. Previously it was a strong bearish, and now it has turned weak bearish, so it is giving bullish signals. And previously when this stochastic entered the oversold zone on this weekly time frame chart, and the MACD started turning weak bearish from strong bearish. Let me to zoom out the chart, then it will be easy for you to watch this move of the MACD. You can see that it was strong bearish, and here it turned weak bearish, so this was the buying signal. And here the stochastic also started turning bullish, started moving towards the upside, and the price action turned very strong bullish, and here the price action found the resistance at $3 and moved down at the support of 60 cents again. Now if I place the Fibonacci tool after this retracement from this low of December to this high, then you can see that the price action has been retraced up to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level, and here it has found a very strong support of 60 cents. Now on the daily time frame chart, the price action is still moving in this down channel that we have already seen in my previous video as well. At that time the price line was trying to break out this resistance of the down channel, but unfortunately the price action is moved back and tested this resistance. You can see that this is another horizontal resistance the price action has recently found, because previously we have seen on the weekly time frame chart, we have this major is support, sorry, not resistance, the support we have at 60 cents, and now here it has found another support at 67 cents on the daily time frame, and the price action is likely to form a double bottom from here, and after double bottom it is possible that the price action will break out this resistance of the channel. And if the price line will break out, because so far I think it is confirmed, because after this bounce, this is quite clear bounce, the support is lifted up, and therefore we can say that this is not the down channel anymore. This has been changed to a falling wedge pattern. That is a bullish reversal pattern, and there is more possibility now for the breakout, because this is the bullish bias pattern. Now it is very important time, because the price action has formed this double bottom, and after forming this double bottom it is moving towards the upside to make another attempt for the breakout. And at the same time it has also formed a falling wedge. This pattern is changed from down channel to the falling wedge. That is a bullish reversal pattern. On the weekly time frame chart we can see that the oscillators are turning bullish, like the MACD is turning bullish, and stochastic is already oversold, and it's possible that at any time the stochastic on the weekly time frame chart can start moving towards the upside. Now we should take a look at the volume indicator. Let me place the volume here to give you more better understanding. With the volume oscillator, is the best tool to determine the power of buying or sell volume. For example, here we had a buying volume. The candlestick is showing that it is a powerful buying volume. But to measure the power of buying or selling, we can watch the values here. The oscillator's value, you can watch the value here. At that time, at the time of previous buying, this was 21. That was a very powerful buying. However, the price action rejected by this resistance of the channel. Now, once we will have the powerful buying volume again, we are having continuously buying volume. However, you can see that this oscillator is moving in the negative territory. It should be moved up in the positive territory, and the minimum value should be 10. Then it is possible that the price line will break out this resistance, and after that we can set our sell targets according to this very big bullish bat pattern. And we can also wait for the price line to hit the final resistance of $3 to make a powerful attempt to break it out. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis, then you can find the link I've shared in the video's description. Take care. Goodbye.